The Rivers State High Court has ruled that Governor Fubara can legally work with the three lawmakers who have not vacated their seats in the State Assembly. Hmm. Okay. This judgment was delivered on December 20th by Justice Sika Aprioku, who dismissed a case filed against the governor and the state government. The suit, filed by the Association of Legislative Drafting and Advocacy Practitioners, sought to compel the governor to present the 2024 budget to the Assembly members led by Martin Amewele. The 27 lawmakers had lost their seats after defecting to other political parties. Justice Aprioku ruled that Governor Fubara is within his right to transact business with the remaining lawmakers, including presenting the budget and making key state appointments. The judge referenced similar instances in the past when governors continued with fewer assembly members. The court also clarified that the vacated seats could only be addressed if the lawmakers challenged their status in court or if elections were held to fill those positions. The court declared the group's request invalid and dismissed the suit. Additionally, a fine of 500,000 naira was imposed on the claimant in favor of the defendant. Therefore, the same way His Excellency Ezeonu Wike presented budget and financial bills with only 6 members when the numbers were less than 2/3 of the 32 members, so shall His Excellency Fubara, the governor of Rivers State, be constitutionally guided to interface and approach the properly constituted House of Assembly led by Okojumbo to carry on the business of the state, and until the 27 lawmakers who defected and lost their seats approaches the court for a redemption or INEC conducts another election to the seats vacated by the 27 lawmakers upon their defection. In sum, until the Supreme Court gives its verdict on the issue of jurisdiction which affects the status of the 27 lawmakers, it is only those who did not vacate their seats the governor can constitutionally approach to the present budget, appoint chief judges and president customary court, also screen commissioner, including the attorney general, and make board appointments. That the claimant claim seeking declaratory and injunctive reliefs for the representation of the 2024 budget to the former 27 lawmakers who defected and automatically vacated their seats lacks merit and is accordingly dismissed. That this seat be and is hereby dismissed with costs in the sum of 500,000 naira awarded in favor of the defendant and against the claimants. Okay. And I'm very sure that even what Wike is planning is 2027, because as it stands now, they don't have that chance to remove Fubara, honestly speaking. Wike, Tinubu, and all of them APC, they know they have lost her, so the only thing they can do is to plan ahead for 2027 to remove this man, if possible. Let's see how that goes, because now it's another big blow. A big blow at that. A big blow at that too. Okay. They have spilled their milk and are crying fouls. Good judgments. This is nothing more than retributive justice. Rivers State must move forward. Please, the judge should rule in his judgment that new elections should take place since their seats have been declared vacant. Until then, he can present the state budget to the 3 House of Assembly. You can imagine, the reason why Fubara is having this kind of confidence is that I told people, they'll say, oh, Fubara, you don't know Wike, you don't know the person you are dealing with. Hey, Wike himself cannot even say that. Wike knows the kind of game they were playing together. They are in the same caucus. It's just like this Oko Jumbo now. If he has a problem with in the future, if in case he has a problem with Fubara, that all of them, but they are planning, they are cooking, they are doing everything, they are strategizing and all of that. They know each other's secrets. Wike cannot even say he will be able to fight Fubara because Fubara knows his secrets. They have been working together. They have been working together to outsmart other people. So that is why Wike himself will be careful, because if he do anyhow, it's just this one that Wike is doing, just doing grab so that maybe this guy will chicken us. But since the guy is now adamant that I will do, you know what I know what you know, so that's why Wike said, "Would they do things jajaja?" But just that devil, no matter what, he will want to, prove is when he knows that he's going to fail. He will want to prove himself. That is exactly what Wike is doing, because like they always say that the flies that will follow the corpse to the grave, he will not hear, or the, what did they call her, the dog will go lost, go hear the hunter whistle. So now be Wike own. So Wike wants present a bid to House of only 6 members. Now wow, he think he can pocket River State like Tinubu did in Lagos. He know say River people wise. They know they go person, okay, house go beg for food like Lagos people they beg Tinubu to survive. That is why Tinubu can control them. But Rivers people know they go person, go they beg. Kudos to the judge anyway. Karma had befallen Wike. Karma had befallen Wike. Wike turned against his godfather Rotimi Amechi, and then Fubara, who happened to be his godson, turned against him. Then again, Wike presented his state budget to 6 members of the House of Assembly. Nobody hear anything. No? Nobody hear anything, and it was accepted. But today, someone has done the same against him. We should be careful in this life, because sometimes what you did some years ago can come back and fight you. That is karma for you. My brother, are the judges, lawyers, not the problems of what is happening everywhere in this Niger. For me, I believe this is what Edele means about or wrote about his book. Some certain elements within the judiciary are the main cause of all this using River State as a case studies. Please, somebody should help me get this question across to the Minister of FCT, Wike. Your Excellency, during your time as governor as River State, was there a time you transacted legislation of the state with only 6 members of the state assembly? If yes, why are you not troubling Fubara? You're a wicked man. Oh. Thanks a lot for that question. Is that so? So Wike did that. The Supreme Court already has precedences before it. When an elected person comes from the party that won election for him without known quarrels, the party automatically loses his position. No personal names on ballot papers, but parties. Those 7 men are gone for good until they are re-elected. So guys, let's hear your opinion and have your take on this.